Well, today's the day. I came out to the farm early. I installed the master clutch, or the master cylinder for the clutch. My father-in-law helped me get the brakes, or the clutch bled. And we're gonna go fire it up. Stay tuned. There you have it. She runs. Super excited. Got to get it all cleaned out, sorted out. But for some of you that have never seen the back of a Fiero, here's your motor right there. I'm going to order an alternator, because the alternator was in there a little bit kitty-wampus, and I ran it that way for a little bit too long, and it burned out the bearings in the alternator. So, I'm trying to close this and hold the camera at the same time. So what I'm going to do is order one up, and we'll get it installed. But I'm super happy. Been sitting out here at the farm for, gosh, a year and a half or more, and I'll tell you what, we had to change the battery out because the battery was completely dead and it wouldn't even take a charge, any kind of charge. So I'm gonna bring that home, gonna try and recondition that, but my father-in-law had another battery out here I could borrow for a minute, so let me put it in there, and first crank, it fired right up. I don't know why it hesitated this last time, but yeah, it fired right up. So super excited. I hardly wait to get her back on the road. It won't be long now, and then I'll do a detailing video, get it all situated. But yeah, here, let me put the camera down here and I'll rev her up for you guys. There you have it, folks. I did it. Or with the help of my father-in-law, I did it. I could not have done it by myself. I cannot take credit for it 100%, but I did remove the motor. I lifted the car up, dropped the whole bottom part out of it. You guys saw that in the video about 2 years ago, a year and a half ago. Put it all back together. Has a new clutch, has the stage 2 clutch in it now, new spark plugs. I changed the oil, has new air filter. So now once I get that alternator in, she will be back on the road. And you know what's funny is the entire time it's been sitting out here, I've kept it on my insurance. So don't even need to add insurance, already still on there. So I'm really excited, guys. Why don't you go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what your fondest memory is of seeing these cars drive down the road. I appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon. Bye.